Building forms and business cards. Under the photo management page, you'll find a section for forms and business cards. Click on Print Forms and Business Cards, and it takes you over to the main page where you can print forms and business cards. We have hundreds and hundreds of forms that you can use, and we also have business card blanks and samples that you can work from. You can choose forms or business cards, and you'll see a list of categories. We have accounts receivable, bill of sale, we have a business card section, fax cover sheets, event estimates, purchase orders. Let's just take a look, and you go down through and we have different purchase orders. Some are landscape, some are straight style. There's going to be hundreds of different forms that you can create. You can also create your own stationery, order forms, job applications, invoices to fit your business, and you can customize all these forms using your business logo or name, and then print these forms out on your regular printer. We're going to do the business cards because that seems to be the most popular. We'll click on business cards and you'll see we have some designs. We also have designs that are full color that you can add your names to, and you can scroll through the designs and find something that you like. We're going to start with something like this. Looks like a ripped piece of paper. Click on it and it takes us over to the editor. This is the same editor we use for composites on the title space, for images, but this will work with the business cards and forms. We need to create layers. So we need to create layers that will go into the business card. We're going to click on Modify Layer, and just like we use in the other programs, we'll do a transparent layer. We'll do it in text, and we'll just put in My Business as the top line, probably about a 20-point font. We just have it in black. We can change that over to green so that it matches our business cards. We'll do a dark green letter, and we can update that layer and see what it's going to look like on the business card. Once we have that layer, we go back to building the form. We have the layer over here. We can drag it over and put it on the business card. Looks like we probably want to have that go all the way across the business card. It's not big enough. We can stretch it out, but for best results, we're going to go ahead and edit that layer and make it a little bit bigger. We go to Modify the Layer, go to the text options. We have size 20. We're going to go to size 30. And we're going to update that layer, which is much bigger. We're going to create a second layer, layer 2. We want to put our phone number on it. Go in, we'll make it transparent again. Do it in text. We want to do the same color. Do the same color green. It's going to be a little bit smaller, maybe 20 is fine. And we'll just put in a phone number. You can do up to 3 layers, and each layer can have up to 3 lines of text, and you can justify the layers right, left, and center. You can create borders, and you can do different fonts. So let's say we want to change this font to we'll do Comic Sans MS. So update that, and it changes the look of that. We can go back to the building the layer or the business card. We have our 2 layers now. We're going to put My Business here, put the phone number on here. And of course you can do a lot more, but for the sake of cutting this video short, we're not going to add all the features onto it. You can also choose from clip art or upload your own layers. You can upload your own logo, photos, pictures, picture of yourself that you want to add to the card, pretty much anything you want. So we have the option for print of 3x4 standard or 2x5, which is the Avery brand cards. So you can go into a stationery store, buy those sheets, and print them right out on your printer. This will create the format for you to go ahead and print it. We're going to click on that image once, save it, and then down in our thing we'll have the business card saved. You'll see printable PDF. If you click on that link, it should bring up a PDF file. It's a relatively large file. Print quality 300 dpi. And that will load, and you'll see that it has created 10 cards which will fit exactly onto the Avery sheets. You print it out, they come apart, and you have your own business cards. You can use any of the designs we have in there, create your own, use thousands of images in the clip art gallery, and do the same thing with forms so that you can have forms that look like your business cards.